Frankatuni bako wo NDC amanyuko no mu ye Dr. Kwabnado 4 na wono ne tebri party no do wonko gina adaka mu sanema bi koso wo hono a wono mobo anwo nanso nei paninu ankasa aba bontene sade wode ko court no wasan atwe ade asensan court gina no so ama asam no so abuagua Adom TV Kasee etwa so.
Yes, so we are happy that the plaintiff have decided to discontinue the case. That opens the door for us to be able to proceed with the elections tomorrow. So we want to use the opportunity to send a message to all the rank and file across all the country, all our delegates, all our aspirants, that we are ready to go right ahead with the elections tomorrow. So we're going to immediately get in touch with the Electoral Commission and arrange that all the logistics are able to reach to the places that they ought to reach. Thank you all of you for the cooperation.
You represent the party. There were some issues that the Ningo-Prampram raised, and more reason they came to court. Subsequently, it has been withdrawn. Have you satisfied the requests that they made to which they came to court?
Yeah, it's been satisfied. The delegate list is the main primary document that we are depending on, and this delegate list has been made available to all the contestants. So really, as far as we are concerned, there really was no case to begin with. But we are happy they didn't decided to withdraw.
What's important is that today the respected Dr. Kwabnado 4 had asked his lawyer to seek the leave of the court to discontinue the action. And same has been done. And as you heard us in court, we are not opposed. So today there's nothing hindering the election coming on tomorrow. And I want to assure the rank and file of our party that tomorrow we'll have the election across the length and breadth of the country.
I mean, I saw the process that you filed. You said that majority of the issues with the list had been dealt with.
At this point that the matter has been discontinued. Let's leave it like that.
So for all is clear for tomorrow, they'll be able to make everything available.
But the path is cleared. Thank you.
Nani nanka said already he said the path is clear. Nanka no ano no so amanabo yeti free appointment mu so ne say yasatebri primaries so e de akwako gina court nti eno so ye ni de akire pa de besie no kase ahodo mu no ye dwumadi so no ebe mama so ate sechina ne benya baso anai maso ma yanto so yeguso ye wo NDC amanyoko no nsem no mu Ningo-Prampram NDC ho kuru ye pa fisem panifo bi e wo party no mu a wormo ankasa to abayi wormo nanso yenye wormo ntum nti wormo bawura court amane court amakwan se yenye wormo ntum sebe ya wondin ebeba wormo nkrata na ye hweso de to aba no Adom TV Kasee etwa so.
Esi ahenefo aduonum nan yi wonom de wasem bi kodan court na sanse court no ebu asem no ema wonom nti na wonom ehye party ni se woma won so afna mu ensai no wonfa wondin enka register no ho eni samanyuko mpanyinfo eni giye pa se esi ahenefo yi enya akwanya obetumi ato presidential and parliamentary abani bie mpanyinfo a wonom eda endi samanyuko nano ewo Ningo-Prampram ya wonom dream tinani Vanguard Isa ene wonom dem fofo Habib Muhammad ena edisa adwumadi no anim na esan saade e koso ni ntino amanchi no ahyew ababeto emrahye Samonate George ene Michael Tetekweti achitaifo entem Benastate Obinya eye panyini a wodi branch executives a wonom enenye ni ayekoso no anim oni amani boni echekye nkomo
na wasenwe na sopa say ye wo Ningo-Prampram party head office na say emre mu so bia beti ne kansa Ningo-Prampram she say na be a some 6 branches be a ye mo free no and that party no a friend say 2 branches be what court na ma order some yes in their mom no tin ye wa ha intino e ba e no apane pa omotumi ye swearing in the my omotumi ye swearing in my intino ye na ajipa